Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at the Down Under puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Jürgen Reiche and made by Siebenstein Spiele. The difficulty level of the Down Under puzzle is 9 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to fit all 6 parts inside the frame. But as you can see, there are a couple of restrictions. There is an acrylic piece on top of the puzzle, and you can see there is a small opening here, another here, and a much bigger opening right here. There is no way you can put something through one of these openings, but there is plenty of space to put the parts through this one. But once you put 3-4 parts, maybe 5 parts inside, you will find that there is no space for the last piece, and you have to rearrange the parts again and again until you find the only correct solution for the puzzle. This is not the only challenge in the puzzle. There are other extra challenges, such as anti-slide challenge. You have to find a way how to fit 5 parts inside so they don't slide inside. Then you do the same with 4 parts and then with 3 parts. So this puzzle is kind of 4 parts in one. The Down Under puzzle is made from laser cut acrylic and wood. All the layers of wood and acrylic are held together by metal bolts, and it is quite usual style for puzzles made by Siebenstein Spiele. If you like the Down Under puzzle and you wanna buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.